What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm back with another video for y'all. But this time, as you can see, I'm sitting here with a Nike box straight from off the sneakers out. And I figured I'd go ahead and do the unboxing as well as the review for y'all, man. So with that being said, let's go on ahead and open this thing and see what we working with. Man, I figured I was having technical difficulties there, man. But here we go. Oh, look at this box, man. But first, here's the receipt showing that it's straight from the Nikes out. Man, looking at this box, man, my first time seeing like this color with a Jordan, man, or whatnot box. As you can see, it got the Nike on it, but the color on this thing, man, it's like a orange or a peachy type color, man, with a white front. We'll go ahead and get into the colorway, size, retail price, and all that about this sneaker. Alright, the name of this sneaker is Nike Air Fear God Raids. And they also had the Fear God moccasins that dropped this weekend, but I didn't go after that shoe because that's just what my cup of tea or whatnot. But hey, man, if you like it, it's good. You go for whatever you like. But as for me, I just couldn't rock with it. But other than that, this is a size 6.5 in men, 8 in women. Of course, my wife, she hit. I don't. I always take the L as usual, G. But it is what it is. Retail value of this shoe is 190 bucks. Go ahead and show y'all the tab or whatnot if you can see it. But I'm about to open this thing and get into it, man. There we go. You got the standard white paper. It comes with it. Oh man, this shoe look very dope just by me pulling it out and seeing it like that, man. It looked like this would be a very comfortable shoe to have on your toes, man. Around your foot area. Go ahead and put this here so I can start into this review. As usual on most of my videos, man, you'll see I'm about to start from my bottom and work all the way around the shoe. It got a white bottom with like these little block things that take the bottom sole of it or whatnot. That leads into an icy blue sole. Look like it got a Nike swoosh or a Nike check, whichever you prefer to call the thing inside that icy sole. Working our way up towards the mid sole of the shoe. You got this nice leather material, man, around here, and also a black Nike screws that leads from this side all the way around, man. It's just nice, man. Nice, soft leather, man. Real soft leather. And then you got like this suede material, like my homeboy Unbreakable Kick would say. You got this booty back stroke where you can see this on the shoe or whatnot. I don't know if you can, but I'm gonna try my best to show you guys. But other than that, man, you got this thread-like material also around the toe box of the shoe. You know, also around the toe box of the shoe. And you got this memory foam type touch and feel to this front toe box of this thing, man. Very soft, man, like a pillow or whatnot, you know. But other than that, man, you got these two straps also. Look like it give you ankle support to make sure like the shoe don't slip off your foot or whatnot. It also comes with an extra lace, white laces. But to me, man, whenever I get mine in, I did order me a size 10 off of StockX. And when I get mine in, man, I'm gonna keep the standard laces that come with the shoe in it. I'm not gonna switch up. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into the insole of the shoe and see what it looks like. Take this thing out of here. Also, I think it got this paper comes with a nice paper in there, man. A lot of paper. But I guess this is supposed to be like the shoe tree for it or whatnot. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. On the lace lock, they have air fear guards. I'm gonna try my best to show y'all that on the lace lock or whatnot. Also, you got a black insole. Then it says air fear guards on the inside of it too. I don't know if you can see it or whatnot, but check out the back of the tongue. Back of the tongue also has air fear guards, but it's upside down. Kind of something like how the bread foils come or whatnot, you dig, with the backwards upside down name in it. But other than that, man, this inside back part where your heel be, this material is very soft, man. Very, 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 very soft. This shoe feel like it would be very comfortable to have on your foot, whether you're doing whatever you're doing, you know. Very, very comfortable. It feel like it's gonna be very soft, man. Very, very soft material, man. But other than that, man, y'all let me know if y'all hit on the sneakers app for this shoe. Let me know if you rocking with it or whatnot. And oh, before I go, I also want to let y'all know, stopped by GameStop and was able to pick up this Funko Pop, man. Muhammad Ali. I had to go get the GOAT, you dig? The greatest of all time, the best to ever do it, you know what I'm saying? And best believe this man is going to store it up in my collection of Funko Pops, man. But other than that, man, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a video. You know what I'm saying? Also, leave a comment at the bottom. I love getting back to y'all whenever y'all leave a comment. Also, hit that like button. Other than that, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out. Peace.